In this Champion instructional video, we'll demonstrate how to field bend Champion Fiberglass Conduit. In order to field bend Champion Fiberglass Conduit, you'll need a hot box and one-shot hydraulic conduit vendor. Refer to the National Electrical Code Book and Champion Duct Fiberglass Catalog. Select a hot box based on the conduit's outside diameter and the length of the bend. Place the conduit in the hot box. Rotate by hand until the conduit reaches the bending temperature. Now verify the bending temperature with an infrared digital thermometer. For initial bending, the recommended temperature should be between 230 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the conduit has been heated, place into the one-shot hydraulic bender. Make sure that the reference marks on the conduit are aligned with the center of the bending shoe. Next, bend the conduit to the desired angle using the ram travel scale on the one-shot hydraulic bender. After bending the conduit, it will need to cool in the bending shoe. The cooling process can be shortened by using a cool wet rag or running cool water over the bend elbow prior to removing it from the bender release pressure. Remove the bend and verify its fit and condition. It may need to be adjusted. If so, vary the selected radius for the bending temperature. Thanks for installing Champion Fiberglass. If you have any questions, we're happy to help at 281-655-8900, and be sure to check out the rest of our other installation videos.